Let's take a look at our project health. From our homepage, we'll go to the Dashboards and Reports tab, and then go to the PMWeb Combined Dashboard app in the Dashboards Power BI section of this page. Click on that, and a new tab will open in Power BI. Here, you'll want to navigate to Project Management and Program Project Health. This will show the status of your milestones, PDP, forecast, and deliverables, in addition to basic information about the project. You'll see filters on the side to filter by region, add by, project status, and many more options. I encourage you to play around with these filters to find what works for you. If you have a filter view that you would like to be your default, you can save it as a bookmark with this button. You'll add a personal bookmark and title it whatever you want. You can choose to make it the default view if it's what you'd like to see every time you come to this page. At the top, you'll notice the different health represented by green and red bar charts. To compare an individual project against the rest of your filters, simply right-click on it. In this table, you can use every header as a way to sort. So if we want to sort the projects, we would click the project header, and we can sort up or down. Similarly, we can do that by any other header on this table. One thing you'll want to look for in this table is your Business Manager add date, which is pulled from SAP, and your scheduled add date, which comes from PMWeb. These should match up. If they don't, please reach out to your project manager or PRTO rep. To get information about the background of the report, click on this I for the info page. This is going to provide us with information about the purpose, audience, instructions, field guidance, the data sources, and the dashboard management, including their refresh timing. It also gives us a key for our stoplights and tells us what those mean. Go ahead and click this back button to go back to the dashboard. When you're back on the dashboard, you'll see the project information going across the line. In milestones, we'll see that green means that there are no overdue due dates. Yellow means there are dates that are less than 30 days overdue, and red is more than 30 days overdue. Gray means that no milestones or template have been updated. For PDP through deliverables, we will also look for green, yellow, red, and gray. Green typically means endorsed or nothing is overdue. Yellow means that something is still in progress or less than 30 days overdue. And red means that we are more than 30 days overdue or it hasn't been started yet. Gray will typically mean it has not been updated or does not exist. Something else I wanted to point out on this report is the difference in the Business Manager add date, which comes from SAP, and the scheduled add date, which is in PMWeb. You'll notice that if these don't match, they'll be color-coded to indicate that they don't match and the day is either sooner or later. Yellow will indicate sooner and red will indicate later. I encourage you to set up the filters and play with the views to set up this Program Project Health report in the way that works best for you. Another report we're going to look at in Power BI right now is under Program Management and then Schedule Milestones. You'll see that it has all of the milestones coming in from PMWeb with their dates, in addition to the Business Manager add date being pulled in from SAP. This is the process as of October 2025, but could change in the future. As you'll see on this key, green indicates an actual date, black a planned date, and red a planned date that's overdue. You'll also see a column that shows this warning symbol. It indicates that the add date that's in SAP does not match the add date that's in PMWeb. You'll want to reach out to your project manager or PMO rep to get any errors corrected.